this morning I'm going to test the QTJ4-40, the semi-automatic block making machine. Now this is our order from the African customer who is from Malawi. Okay, now what you are seeing is the QTJ4-40 semi-automatic block making machine. And also by tuning a different mode, you can produce the color paving bricks like the zigzag or the cabrol or the double T shape, different types of the pavers. Now what you are seeing now is our concrete mixer. But normally I want to give you the tips for using the mixer. That means before you start the mixer, you cannot fill the concrete material. That means after you switch on the mixer, you can feed the material, sand and cement inside. Now after offloading the material, I will use the shovel to feed in the material. And after feeding the material, you will use this fork to split and keep the material to be everywhere on the all the mold sides. And now you will vibrate this one. And after maybe 2 or 3 seconds, and vibration again, the second time vibration. So that means if you give it 2 times vibration, the bricks of the pavers will be get enough vibration density. Okay. And drop down with this fork, with this hook. And remember to switch on the top vibrator and the down vibrator at the same times. Okay, now the pivot is finished. The pivot is finished. So you can see now the bricks is very nice. It's very nice. The surface density is very nice. So now we will supply you this kind of a trolley to carry out. Now, so what you are going to do is you will, carry the pavers and go where you want to drop it. And what you are seeing now, this one is how to see? It's a rectangular, it's a double. Normally we call it double T shape of the paving bricks. So it just produce, it's a fresh bricks. So I will try to go onto the bricks to test it and stand up on the bricks, okay? Now you can see I stand up on the pivots and I try to give the punch. Okay, very nice. You can see where this location is where I jumped on, right? No damage, no crack. The pivot's density and quality is very good.